that is H positive ions in water. When acids are dissolved in water, what they produce? They produce hydrogen plus hydrogen ions. Hydrogen की valency क्या होती है? +1. That's why when they are dissolved, they produce hydrogen ions. For example, hydrochloric acid dissolves in water to form hydrogen ions and chloride ions. जब हम HCl को HCl, what is the name? The name is hydrochloric acid. जब हम HCl को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे तो ये क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगा? H positive and Cl negative ions. It is the hydrogen ions which turn blue litmus to red and give acids their characteristic properties. And you all know that acid turn blue litmus to red. Acid blue litmus को किस में turn कर देते हैं? Red में. Why is it so? It is because of हाइड्रोजन आयंस. किसके कारण होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयंस. अगर हाइड्रोजन आयंस लिबरेट नहीं होंगे तो जो हमारा ब्लू लिटमस है वो रेड में कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा. सो इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयंस. व्हाट आर एसिड्स? द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड्स. एसिड्स रिएक्ट विथ मेटल्स टू प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन गैस. व्हेन द एसिड्स, any acid you can take, that is sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid or any other acid, when it is reacted to any metal, किसी भी metal से जब ये react करेगा, what it produce? It will produce hydrogen gas. Which gas is produced? Hydrogen gas. A question can come, which gas is released when acids react with metals? कि जब acid मेटल से रिएक्ट करते हैं तब हमेशा कौन सी गैस लिबरेट होती है? हाइड्रोजन गैस इज लिबरेटेड. फाइन. द सेकेंड, एसिड रिएक्ट विथ कार्बोनेट टू प्रोड्यूस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. और जब वो कार्बोनेट से रिएक्ट करेंगे तब कौन सी गैस रिलीज होगी? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ कार्बोनेट? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ कार्बोनेट? CO3. CO3, very good. CO3. And how they are formed? How they are formed? Carbonate.
Carbon dioxide plus oxygen.
Carbon dioxide plus
Oxygen.
Oxygen. If a question comes, what are carbonates? What will you write? What will you write? Tell me.
Substance formed with the combination of carbon and oxygen is called carbon. Yeah.
This is the complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And which test is used to identify that hydrogen gas is released? How can you identify that hydrogen gas is released? Which test is performed? कौन सा टेस्ट हम काम में लेते हैं to test hydrogen gas? Pop test. Which test? Pop test is used to identify that hydrogen gas is evolved. पॉप टेस्ट में क्या होता है? जब भी हाइड्रोजन गैस के पास हम मैच स्टिक लेके जाएंगे तो पॉपिंग साउंड आता है. पॉपिंग साउंड मीन्स जब हम पॉपकॉर्न बनाते हैं तो साउंड आता है उसमें, सेम वही साउंड हमारे हाइड्रोजन गैस भी प्रोड्यूस करती है. फाइन. सो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, व्हेनेवर एसिड रिएक्ट विथ मेटल्स दे प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन गैस. एंड सेकेंड, व्हेन दे रिएक्ट विथ कार्बोनेट दे प्रोड्यूस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ये एमसीक्यूज के रिगार्डिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अगर मेटल्स के साथ रिएक्ट कर रहा है तो क्या रिलीज करेगा? हाइड्रोजन गैस. और कार्बोनेट्स के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस रिलीज होती है. एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस के टेस्ट के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? व्हाट कैन वी डू? Lime water test. Yes, very good, beta. We perform lime water test. Can anybody tell me what is lime water test?
मैम लाइम वाटर को प्लस CO2 कर देंगे तो वो मिल्की वाइट हो जाता है.
Yes.
तो कलरलेस हो जाएगा तो इसका मतलब वो हाइड्रोजन है.
Yes, very good. Fine. So prepare this type of question for MCQs. And which acid is used in the formation of कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के हम फॉर्मेशन के लिए मोस्टली कौन सा एसिड काम में लेते हैं? दैट इज HCl. कौन सा काम में लेंगे?
हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड.
Hydrochloric acid. Now my question is, what are the salts of carbonic acids called? कार्बोनिक एसिड के जो सॉल्ट्स होते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? What are they called?
Carbonate salt.
Carbonate, yes, good. Now the other chemical properties of acid. Acid react with base to form a salt and water only. एसिड जब भी बेस के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे, कौन सी रिएक्शन होगी अपनी? व्हेन एसिड रिएक्ट विद बेस,
Neutralization reaction.
neutralization reaction, and the salt and water is formed. The example is given here: H2SO4 plus cuprous oxide gives copper sulfate and water. Copper sulfate is a salt. This reaction is called neutralization. Now, how can we consider that whether an acid is weak or strong? On which
pH
quantity?
level.
pH level. pH level से तो हम ये पता करते हैं कि वो strong है या base है, लेकिन depend किस पे कर रही है उसकी strength?
H plus ion.
H plus ion. The strength of an acid depends upon the hydrogen ions. किस पे depend करेगी strength? Hydrogen ions. जब वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे, जितने ज्यादा हाइड्रोजन आयंस होंगे उतनी ही क्या होगी, वो एसिड हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. और अगर हाइड्रोजन आयंस का नंबर कम है तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? वीक. फाइन. So a strong acid is an acid that is completely ionized in water. This means that all the acid molecules become ions in the water. Ions means अगर सपोज हमने लिया है HCl तो वो H प्लस और Cl माइनस आयंस में कंप्लीटली क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड हो जाएगा. और इस प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं आयोनाइजेशन. What is this process called? This process is called ionization. हम इसमें जो भी हमारा कंपाउंड है उसको आयंस में डिवाइड करते हैं. Examples of strong acids are sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Now the weak acid. A weak acid is an acid that is only partially ionized in water. जो केवल partially ionized होगा, मतलब completely उसका breakdown नहीं होगा, और जो H plus ions हैं उनका नंबर कम हो जाएगा. This means that only a few molecules of the acid become ions in water. What are its examples? The examples are ethanoic acid, citric acid and carbonic acid. What is the formula of citric acid? What is the formula of citric acid? Not any idea?
C6H8O7.
What? Repeat it again.
C6H8O7.
No. C6.
CH3COOH.
Yes, CH3COOH is the formula of citric acid. बहुत यूज आने वाला है, लर्न कर लो इसको. Citric acid. What is the formula? CH3COOH. Now, these are the common acids and their formula: sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, citric acid, ethanoic acid, that is vinegar. Citric acid is C6H8O7. Now, uses of acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in the industry to remove rust from metals before they are painted. किसी भी अगर मेटल को हम रस्ट से प्रिवेंट करना चाहते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज आयरन है, तो हम पहले उस पर क्या कर देंगे? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड से हम रस्ट को रिमूव करेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज पेंटेड. बिकॉज इफ अ सरफेस इज कवर्ड विथ रस्ट, अगर कोई भी सरफेस हमारी रस्ट से कवर है तो उस पर पेंट करना यूजलेस है. व्हाट इज द बेस्ट मेथड? द बेस्ट मेथड इज टू remove the rust from the surface and then paint it. Fine. So which acid is used? Hydrochloric acid in very small quantity. not in a huge quantity, in very small quantity, HCl is used. Sulfuric acid is used to make fertilizers and detergents. Ethanoic acid is used in vinegar for cooking and to preserve foods such as vegetables. Citric acid is used in making fruit salts. Fruit salts जैसे इनो वगैरह है उसमें हम इसका यूज करते हैं. Now the question answers. Quick check one. What ions do acids produce in water? You all know it very well. What ions?
Plus ions.
H plus ions. State three properties of acids. What are the properties?
It turns red litmus to blue.
Yes, first property.
water. All
It
acid
is-
have a
It is acidic in nature. It is acidic in
No,
nature.
no, it is not a point. It is acidic in nature.
It
Acid है
is
तो obviously acidic ही होगा.
Ma'am, it's sour in taste.
Sour in taste.
nature.
It is sour in taste. It is corrosive in nature. Nature में क्या होता है ये? Corrosive होता है. अगर हमारी स्किन के ऊपर इसको पोर कर दे तो स्किन हमारी क्या हो जाएगी?
Burn.
खराब हो जाएगी, बर्न हो जाएगी, रैशेस हो जाएंगे, इरिटेशन होगा वहां पे. क्लियर? Explain what is meant by a strong acid. Give one example of a strong acid. What is a strong acid?
Which leaves more H plus ion when it dissolves in water.
Yes, when an acid dissolves in water and it is completely iodized, anodized, then it is treated as a strong acid. The number of hydrogen ions is comparatively more than. And what is the example?
Nitric acid. Hydrochloric acid and sulfuric.
Hydrochloric acid,
Hydrochloric, sulfuric, and
nitric
nitric acid. Citric acid not a strong acid. Citric acid is a weak acid. HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3, nitric acid that is, are strong acid. What is meant by a weak acid? जो अभी हमने strong acid का किया उसी का क्या हो
Citric
जाएगा?
acid. H plus ions कम होते हैं उसमें.
Yes, तो citric acid तो क्या है हमारा weak acid है. तो जो अभी हमने strong acid की definition करी अगर उसी को reverse कर देंगे then what it is a weak acid. Give one example of weak acid.
Citric acid.
Citric acid.
Ethanoic acid.
Ethanoic acid.
Ethanoic
And
acid.
other acid you can conclude जो भी हमारे फ्रूट्स जो sour fruits हैं उनसे हम obtain कर रहे हैं. For example, tartaric acid है, oxalic acid है. What are they? Lactic acid. They are weak acid. Fine. तो weak acid में हम citric acid, ethanoic acid और oxalic, tartaric and lactic acid.
Carbonic acid.
Some dry citric acid crystals are placed on a dry piece of litmus paper. Will there be a color change? Explain your answer. Now answer it. हमने dry citric acid crystals को एक dry piece of litmus paper के ऊपर place किया है. Will the color be change? Color change होगा? Yes or no?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because it relieves
because-
ions in presence of water.
Yes. What is required? The presence of water is required. Fine. Here is the answers also. There will be no color change because there is no water, so the citric acid cannot form hydrogen ions. जैसा मैंने पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया है, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस तुम्हारे हमेशा बोर्ड में आते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता, या अगर तुम इसको डिसॉल्व कर रहे हो तो क्या होगा. Not a direct question is going to be asked in your paper. Now the next topic, database. जो अभी हमने एसिड्स में पढ़ा है, अगर हम उसका रिवर्स कर दें, what we obtain, that are base. Base is an oxide or hydroxide of a metal. ये क्या होते हैं? ऑक्साइड या हाइड्रोक्साइड होते हैं. अगर हम इनको वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या प्रोड्यूस करेंगे? ये OH negative, hydroxide ions. Which ions are released? Hydroxide ions. Examples: OH minus. Yes. Examples of bases are sodium oxide, sodium hydroxide, copper oxide, copper hydroxide. Fine. You all know it very well. And what are the uses of base commonly? जो सबसे most common use है base का वो कहाँ पे होता है? Where it is commonly used? At your home also, in your daily life. Soap,
Ma'am,
obviously.
soap.
Soap. And what is the formula of soap? Bar soap. Bar soap का formula क्या होता है? NaOH. What is the formula? The formula is NaOH, sodium hydroxide.
Hydroxide.
Yes. And liquid soap का formula KOH. क्या होगा formula? K potassium hydroxide.
Hydroxide.
Fine. Now
Ma'am.
the same, when the base react with an acid, they will form salt and water, and the
Water.
process is called neutralization. We have discussed it earlier also. Now the second term is alkalis. All the bases are not dissolved in water. सभी base water में dissolve नहीं होते हैं. Only a few of them are dissolved in water. केवल कुछ एक acid, कुछ एक base ही होते हैं जो हमारे water में dissolve होते हैं. Water में जो base dissolve हो जाएंगे, what they are called? They are called alkalis. What they are called? Alkalis. Remember it. कई बार आता है water alkalis. So the base which are dissolved in water are termed as alkali. Fine. An alkali is a soluble base which produce hydroxide ions in water. तो अगर हम base को water में dissolve कर रहे हैं तो ये क्या produce करेगा? OH negative ions. Sodium hydroxide is an alkali because it dissolves in water to produce hydroxide ion. Sodium hydroxide NaOH जैसा नॉर्मल देखते हो, जब हम सोप को वाटर के साथ में रब करते हैं तो वो क्या होने लगता है? डिसॉल्व होने लगता है और क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगा? OH negative ions. Fine. Now what is the difference between base and alkali? Copper hydroxide is a base but not an alkali. Copper hydroxide क्या है? बेस है लेकिन alkali नहीं है. Why is it so? हम उसको बेस तो कह रहे हैं लेकिन alkali नहीं कह रहे. क्यों होगा ऐसा?
वो वाटर में soluble नहीं है.
वाटर में soluble नहीं है.
क्योंकि वो वाटर में soluble नहीं है. That's why. All alkalis are bases but not all bases are alkali. Remember it. जो सभी alkali हैं वो क्या होते हैं? बेस होते हैं, लेकिन सभी बेस alkali नहीं होते. मतलब जो सभी बेस का हम एग्जांपल लें तो वो वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं होंगे. Only few of them are dissolved and that are called alkalis. Now their chemical properties. Alkalis have a bitter taste and soapy feel. क्या होता है इसमें? Bitter taste होगा और soapy feel होगा. They turn red litmus to blue, and when react with acid, they form salt and water. Fine, it is. The reactions are also given here. Chemical properties of alkalis now. Alkalis react with ammonium salts to produce ammonia gas. The question can come, what will happen if ammonium salts are react with alkalis? What they produce? Ammonia gas. What is the formula? What is the formula of ammonia gas?
NH4.
NH.
NH4.
NH4Cl.
NH4Cl is salt, and that is ammonium chloride. और अमोनियम क्लोराइड और बेस की जब रिएक्शन होगी तब सॉल्ट भी फॉर्म होगा और NH3 गैस रिलीज होगी. अमोनिया गैस इज एसिडिक एंड दस इट टर्न रेड लिटमस पेपर ब्लू. और ये क्या कर देगी? रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में कन्वर्ट कर देगी. अमोनिया गैस इज वेरी सॉल्युबल इन वाटर एंड गिव्स आउट अ पंजेंट स्मेल. कौन सी स्मेल? बहुत एक अलग सी स्मेल आती है उसकी. अगर हम लैब में परफॉर्म करेंगे ये एक्टिविटी, देन यू विल फील दैट हाउ पंजेंट इट इज. फाइन. The reaction is NaOH plus NH4Cl gives NaCl plus NH3 and H2. After the production of NH3 gas, we can test the litmus paper and it will convert into blue. Uses of base, where they are used, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are used in making soaps. Ammonia solution is used in window cleaners. जो अमोनिया सॉल्यूशन होता है उसका यूज हम किस में करते हैं? विंडो क्लीनर्स.
विंडो क्लीनर्स में.
Yes, magnesium hydroxide is used in toothpaste to neutralize the acid produced by bacteria. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH whole twice. इसका यूज किस में होता है? टूथपेस्ट में. नाउ टेल मी वेदर द toothpaste is acidic or alkali.
Alkali.
Alkaline.
Alkali, yes. Why it is alkali? Why it is alkali?
Soluble in water.
Acid.
No.
In water.
Ma'am, because it neutralizes the acid.
Yes, because it neutralizes the acidic effect that is generated or in our mouth. जो हमारा माउथ का मीडियम है वो क्या होता है? एसिडिक होता है. एसिडिक इफेक्ट को न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए what we use base, and toothpaste are base in nature. क्वेश्चन आ चुका है ये, why toothpaste are basic in nature, कि जो टूथपेस्ट हैं वो बेसिक क्यों होते हैं? अगर एसिडिक हो तो क्या होगा? अगर हमारे टूथपेस्ट एसिडिक हो तब क्या होगा? टेल मी दैट. अब हमको ये तो पता है कि जो हमारे टूथपेस्ट हैं वो बेस होते हैं. अब मैं कह रही हूँ अगर हमारा टूथपेस्ट बेस हो नेचर में, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? टेल मी.
मैम टीथ डिके होने लग जाएंगे.
टूथ
डिके होने लग जाएंगे.
yes, there will be decay of tooth. जो टूथ एनामल है वो क्या हो जाएगा? एसिड कोरोसिव होते हैं नेचर में, तो एसिड के कारण वो डिके होना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. फाइन. Is many students are facing today the difficulty to join the class. Yes. Move to our topic. Calcium hydroxide is used to neutralize acids found in acidic soil. जो acidic soil है उसमें acids को remove करने के लिए, neutralize करने के लिए उनके effect को हम क्या use करते हैं? Calcium hydroxide. Fine. Any other use of base that you know? कोई और other use जो तुम्हें ध्यान आ रहा हो? Tell me about that.
Ma'am, it is used in antacid.
Yes, very good. It is used in antacids to nullify or neutralize the effect of acid produced in our stomach. हमारे stomach में जो acid HCl acid produce हुआ है उसके effect को nullify या neutralize करने के लिए कौन सा base काम में लेते हैं हम? Which base is used as antacid?
Baking soda or
Magnesium hydroxide it is. Which acid? Magnesium hydroxide. Fine. The formula is MgOH whole twice. These are the formulas given here. You all know it very well. So move to the next check. What is a base? Give 3 examples of bases. What is base?
Which release OH minus ion when dissolved in water.
They give OH negative ions when they are dissolved in water. 3
They are
examples.
bitter in taste.
They are bitter in taste. And
They are soapy in touch.
yes,
Turn blue litmus red.
yes, fine it is. Now 3 examples. You can give it very quickly. NaOH, KOH, MgOH.
potassium hydroxide.
Yes, fine. Next question. Define what is an alkali. Give 3 examples of alkalis. What is alkali?
The base is soluble in water.
Yes, which is soluble in
This
water.
which are soluble in
They
They
have
are-
a taste.
They have a
Bitter taste. Bitter taste. And
But all the bases have bitter taste, not of alkali. जितने भी बेस हैं उन सभी का टेस्ट क्या होगा? बिटर होगा. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो alkali ही हो. The basic property of alkali is that they should dissolve in water. जो water में dissolve होंगे वो ही base हमारे क्या कहलाएंगे? Alkali, not others. Fine. Now 3 properties of alkali. You know it very well. They will dissolve in water. Second, they produce OH negative ions. And what about third property?
they turns red litmus to blue.
Yes. Explain why iron hydroxide is a base but not an alkali.
Because it
What's the
is not
reason?
soluble in water.
Not
It is
soluble
not
in water.
soluble in water. Right, balanced chemical equation for the following reaction. Potassium hydroxide. What is the formula of potassium hydroxide?
KOH.
KOH plus ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride formula is?
NH4Cl.
Yes. Now write the equation. Calcium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride. Calcium hydroxide, what is the formula?
CaOH का whole twice.
Yes, and ammonium chloride, you know it. Now write the reaction.
NH4.
Write the reaction and give me the solution first. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Find out the answer. Now here is the solution. When KOH is reacted with NH4Cl, it gives KCl plus H2O plus ammonia gas is released. Fine. And when CaOH whole twice, that is calcium hydroxide, reacts with NH4Cl, it will produce CaCl2 plus H2O plus NH3. Which gas is released in both the cases? कौन सी gas release हो रही है दोनों reactions में? It is NH3, ammonia gas. Now indicators. What are indicators? Indicators. Yes.
Substance
Litmus
will
is
change
a-
color or a smell in different substance.
Yes. Indicators tells us about whether a given solution is acid or base. हमें जो भी solution provided है, हम indicators का use करके ये बता सकते हैं कि whether they are acidic or basic in nature. What is the definition? Indicators are the substance which show different colors in acidic and alkaline solution. वो क्या करेंगे? Different colors show करते हैं और then we can know that whether it is acidic or basic. Litmus is a common indicator. It is red in acidic solutions and blue in alkaline solution. Litmus, how can we obtain litmus? Litmus कैसे obtain कर सकते हैं हम?
From lichen.
Yes, we can obtain litmus by lichen. And what is lichen?
Ma'am, it belongs to Halophyta.
Division of Thylophyta.
Yes.
Symbiosis of fungi and algae.
Yes, good. Sometimes a question comes, how litmus can be obtained? Fine. So what you should write that litmus is extracted by the plant and litmus solution is a purple color dye extracted from the lichen plant belonging to the division of Thallophyta. Fine. From which division it is belong? It is
Thallophyta.
belongs to the Thallophyta group. Other important indicators are shown in the table here. Methyl orange, pH is 4, litmus 7, and phenolphthalein 9. The color in acid and alkali is also shown here. Now the pH scale. What is pH scale? pH scale, pH में P का meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of P?
Power, hydrogen, H plus ion.
P means potens. P का मतलब क्या है? Potens, and it means power. Potens किसका word है? कौन सी language का word है? German language. Which language? German, and it means power.
Power.
Power of hydrogen.
It is a scale used for measuring hydrogen ion concentration. इससे हम क्या measure कर सकते हैं? Hydrogen ion concentration. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 40. The pH of a solution can be measured with a pH meter. किससे measure करेंगे? pH meter से measure करेंगे. Now tell me one thing. A blind person is provided some of the indicators that are litmus, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, vanilla essence, red cabbage, etc. Find which indicator should be used by him or her to clarify that whether it is acidic or basic. Which type of indicator should be used by a blind person? Blind person किसका use करेगा as an indicator? Tell me. He has given litmus, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, vanilla essence, and red cabbage. What will be your answer?
Litmus.
Why litmus? उसको कलर तो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं होगा बेटा. How can he use
vanilla
litmus?
essence.
Yes, he should use vanilla essence. Why vanilla essence? Because vanilla is an olfactory indicator. Vanilla कौन सा indicator है? Olfactory indicators है. Now, tell me what are olfactory indicators? We have read about it. Olfactory
Ma'am.
क्या है?
Ma'am, they have a different order in acid and bases.
Yes. Olfactory indicators are the indicators whose order changes in acidic or basic medium. कि जो उनकी स्मेल है वो एसिड और बेस मीडियम में चेंज हो सकती है. एंड द मोस्ट कॉमन एग्जांपल्स ऑफ olfactory indicators are vanilla extract and onion. Which are the two examples? Onion and vanilla extract. So remember it. Questions इसी तरह के फॉर्म होते हैं कि अगर किसी पर्सन में ये डिजीज है तो वो क्या यूज करेगा. फाइन. Now pH scale, you better know that it ranges from 0 to 14. The lower the pH, the more acidic the solution is. Acid की जो variation है वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक होगी?
1 to 0 to 7.
7 to 1.
7 to 1 or 0 we can conclude in it because the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14 so that we can say that it is 7 to 0. If the substance or the solution has pH 1, what it indicates?
Strong acid.
Strong acid. जैसे जैसे हम लेफ्ट साइड में मूव करते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे जो स्ट्रेंथ है एसिड की वो क्या होगी? इंक्रीज होती जाएगी. The lower the pH, the more acidic the solution is. अगर pH कम होगा तो हमारा solution क्या होगा? Acidic होगा. The higher the pH, the more alkaline the solution is. और अगर pH हमारा high होगा तो solution हमारा क्या होगा? Alkaline होगा. For example, if a solution is having the pH of 10, pH कितना है उसका? 10 है, तो वो acid होगा या base होगा?
Base.
बेस होगा क्योंकि बेस की range क्या है हमारी 7 to 14. और दो सॉल्यूशन है, एक का pH है 8 और एक का pH है 13. विच इज मोर अल्कलाइन?
हम से ए
13.
13 होगा. 13 होगा. 13 मोर अल्कलाइन होगा. जैसे जैसे हम pH स्केल पे राइट साइड में मूव करेंगे तो जो अल्कलाइन नेचर है वो इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. pH 7 is neutral. 7 क्या होगा? न्यूट्रल होगा. वाटर का pH हमेशा क्या होगा?
Neutral.
7.
Distilled water, sugar solution and most salt solution are neutral. जो भी हमारा distilled water है, sugar है या salt solutions हैं, उन सभी का mostly pH क्या रहता है? 7, as they are neutral. The universal indicator now. The universal indicator consists of a mixture of dyes which changes its color in different pH solution. ये क्या होते हैं हमारे? एक डाई कलर मान सकते हैं जो different pH solutions में different colors show करते हैं. Here the color chart is also given so that you can identify that whether it is a strong acid, weak acid or strong base or weak base. Fine, on the basis of their color. We can use the universal indicator to tell us the approximate pH of a solution. The universal indicator or pH paper changes its color according to the pH shown in the chart below. जो नीचे चार्ट दिया हुआ है उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या हो जाता है? कलर चेंज होगा. And then we can identify that whether the given substance is acidic or basic. Now type of oxides. Elements burn or react with oxygen to form oxide. जब भी वो बर्न करेंगे हम, बर्न करने पे क्या होगा? एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन से वो कंबाइन हो जाएंगे और क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? ऑक्साइड. There are 4 types of oxide that are acidic, basic, amphoteric and neutral oxide. An acidic oxide is an oxide of a non-metal. किसका होगा acidic oxide? Non-metal का. It dissolves in water to form an acid. Acidic oxide react with alkali to form salts. Acidic oxide जो है वो किसके साथ रिएक्शन करेंगे? अल्कलाई के साथ में, और जब भी एसिड और अल्कलाई की रिएक्शन होती है तब क्या फॉर्म होता है? सॉल्ट.
Salt and water.
Yes, salt and water. Yes. The basic oxide is an oxide of a metal. मेटल का क्या फॉर्म होगा? बेसिक ऑक्साइड. और नॉन मेटल का ऑक्साइड क्या होगा? एसिडिक होगा. ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि जो मेटल्स हैं वो क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? बेसिक ऑक्साइड. और नॉन मेटल्स क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? Acidic oxide. If soluble, it will dissolve in water to form an alkali, and when they react with acid, they form salts. Now learn it also. What are amphoteric oxide? Amphoteric oxides क्या होते हैं? Because amphoteric oxide are the oxide that shows both the properties of acid and base. वो एसिड और बेस दोनों की प्रॉपर्टीज को क्या शो करते हैं? प्रॉपर्टीज शो करते हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड्स. अ न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड दैट इज नाइदर एन एसिड और अल्कलाई. वो किसी के साथ भी रिएक्ट नहीं करता. एनवायरमेंट में, एटमॉस्फेयर में वो न्यूट्रल ही रहते हैं. द एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन हियर. न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड्स आर वाटर, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, basic oxides. These examples are given here. Now check 3. Name 3 common indicators and their color change in a strong acidic and strong alkaline solution. Here the answer: litmus, phenolphthalein and universal indicator. You have to learn them. ठीक है? वो एसिड में कौन सा कलर देंगे और बेस में कौन सा कलर देंगे. What is meant by pH of a solution? What is meant by it? What is meant by pH?
Potence of hydrogen.
Tell us how acidic or alkaline a solution is.
Yes, it is used to measure the hydrogen ion concentration. What is the pH of hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid का pH कितना होगा हमारा?
Less than 7. Ma'am, less than 7.
1
Less than
7.
7.
1
Less than 7. No, not
Ma'am,
correct. Yes,
ma'am.
near about 1. Hydrochloric acid strong acid है तो इसका कितना होगा? 1. Now citric acid. Citric acid.
6.
Here. 0 to 1 for hydrochloric acid, 3 to 4 for citric acid, 7 for neutral and 13 to 14 for sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide क्या है? NaOH. हमारा strong base है तो इसका कितना हो जाएगा? 13 to 14. Sodium chloride NaCl salt है. Salt का pH कितना होता है? Sodium chloride salt है. Salt solutions का pH कितना होता है? 7. Yes. And what is the pH of blood? Blood का pH कितना होता है?
7.8
6.8.
7.
7.
No. 7.4 to 7. No.
7 to 7.8.
Yes. 7.4. Sometimes it is considered. Sometimes 7.8. So you can write 7.4 to 7.8 it is. What are the 4 types of oxides? Give one example of each type of oxide. 4 types of oxide are acidic, basic, amphoteric, and neutral. And also give their example. What colors would you expect to see when the following indicators are added to a solution of pH 5? pH 5 hai. First of all, tell me whether it is acidic or basic.
Acidic.
Yes, acidic is it is. Now if we add litmus to it, what will happen?
Ma'am, it will turn red.
It will turn
Red.
Red to blue.
red to blue.
Blue.
And
Blue.
Yes. Next is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein कौन सा कलर देगा एसिड में?
colorless.
Colorless.
Pink.
And methyl orange? Methyl orange?
Blue to red. Then pink color.
Yellow.
Red color. Methyl orange will give
Yellow.
red color.
Red color.
Yellow gives in basic solution. Yellow किस में कलर होता है? बेस में होता है. एसिड में कलर कौन सा होगा? Red. Fine. Here the answers. Methyl orange will give red. It is wrong. बेस में येलो देता है और एसिड में कौन सा देता है? रेड कलर. Corrected also. Fine. Now salts. How salts are formed? Salts are formed when an acid is neutralized by a base. You all know about it. When acids and bases react together, there is neutralization reaction and salt is formed.
Water.
Yes. These some of the examples. Sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride. You can write their reactions also. Fine. Take a screenshot and write the reactions for them. Take a screenshot first and write the reactions. Balanced chemical equation. Uses of salt. Sodium chloride is used as a table salt and to preserve meat and vegetables. Normally, जो हमारे घरों में हम काम में लेते हैं, what it is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is electrolyzed to obtain sodium and chlorine in the industry. Sodium chloride का जब हम electrolyzation करते हैं, what is that process? Can anybody tell me? Sodium chloride. What is the process?
Chloroalkali.
Chloro nahi, it is chlor-alkali process. What is the process? The process is chlor-alkali process. And in this process, chlorine gas is obtained. Ammonium nitrate and ammonium sulfate are used as plant fertilizers. Magnesium sulfate, commonly called Epsom salt, is used as a bath salt. Fine. These are the methods. We have discussed it earlier also. Now, the most important thing that I want to tell you that you have to prepare all the MCQs and one-liner question answers for tomorrow test. It will be a type of online test and you will get marks at that time when you press the submit button. जब तुम submit button पे press करोगे उसी time तुमको क्या हो जाएगा? Result होगा. That's why prepare it thoroughly. Action of acid on alkali. What is the process? The process is neutralization. To carry out the neutralization of the acid and alkali exactly, a method called titration is used. The salts that can be prepared by titration method are discussed here. First of all, sodium nitrate. What we are preparing? We are preparing sodium nitrate. By neutralization method, we have to take sodium hydroxide and dilute nitric acid for this purpose. We should take sodium hydroxide in a beaker and then by a dropper, we will add dilute nitric acid in it. हम क्या add करेंगे? Dilute nitric acid, and in this way, sodium nitrate and water is obtained. The methods are also given here. Copper sulfate from copper oxide and sulfuric oxide. CuO plus H2SO4, it will give CuSO4 plus H2O. You all know it better than the last topic that you have to cover is uses of pH. What are the uses of pH? What are the uses? Tell me fast.
Ma'am,
Who's turning the pages?
pH of rain less than 5.6 called acidic rain. It has
Yes.
us to know acidic or not.
Yes. pH of the soil?
Yes, pH.
Ma'am, 2 decays start when the pH of mouth is less than 5.5.
Yes. And also pH plays an important role in our digestive system.
Yes,
Fine.
our stomach produce HCl. So.
Yes, stomach produces HCl, and to nullify or neutralize its effect, we have to use antacids. Fine. Now salts, you have to learn the uses of salts. After that, water of crystallization. Any doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay, I'm stop sharing it. If you have any doubt, just raise your hand. Yes, Nishda?
Ma'am, in this pH scale, we have to learn their properties as well as their uses.
Number. Yes. Uses and the number of the common acid and base. For example, if I gave you what is the pH value of sodium hydroxide, so what you have to write? Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. कितना pH होगा इसका? Sodium hydroxide, what will be the pH of sodium hydroxide? It is 13 to 14. Fine. So जो common हमारे solutions हैं, you have to learn their pH value also. Fine. Any other doubt? Just raise your hand and ask the question. Any other doubt are you having? So what is your homework? You have to learn the complete chapter, that is chapter number 2, acid, base and salt, for your tomorrow's test. Still I am asking, if you have any doubts, you can clarify it now. Not any doubt? So shall we end the meeting now?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.